cake whenever you fancy. Fancy a cake? Back in a minute, here's a cake. How good's that? Welcome to the CNRL Library Innovation Studio home workshops. We're back in the kitchen again today because I'm going to teach you how to make cake. Not any old cake. My good friend Narelle has sent me a recipe for microwave cake. The great thing about microwave cake is you don't need many things. Some self-raising flour, some caster sugar, some cocoa powder, that's the unsweetened stuff, it's just plain cocoa powder, some milk, and an egg. And the only equipment you're going to need is a favourite mug, make sure it's a clean one, and a tablespoon. And that's it, you don't need anything else. This is going to be really, really easy. So first of all, get your supposedly clean mug, and get 4 tablespoons of flour in. 1, 2, 3, yeah, that's about 4. 4 tablespoons of the sugar. I say caster sugar, but yeah, sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and get rid of that. And give that a little stir at the moment. There we go, just a little stir, nothing fancy. Now we need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to give it that great chocolate taste. 1, rather heaped one, but you know. And 2, there we go. Give that a quick stir, nothing too vigorous. 1 egg. Get rid of that. Now, mix it in as much as you can. Doesn't really matter, we're not doing anything too perfect here. Be quite gentle when you're doing it. You don't want it leaping out at you. You know, brave enough to give that a bit of a stir now. 3 tablespoons of the milk. 1, 2, 3. Leave that there for a second. Give that a bit of a stir. A bit easier to stir now because it's not trying to fluff up at me anyway. Oh yeah, we'll be stirring. Decent. Now I did forget something. Oil. We need some oil. This shouldn't be olive oil, it's got a bit too much flavour to it. This is just sunflower oil or something like that. And we need another 3 tablespoons of this. 1, 2, 3. So pretty easy stuff. You might need to make a list of the ingredients, but you know, we're not doing anything complicated here. It's just tablespoons of stuff. Give that a stir. Now, cakes normally take like an hour or something in the oven. This is going to take us 1.5 minutes, maybe 2. Imagine having to wait a whole hour. Which I have to because I don't have a microwave at home. That's why I come here. What could you do in a minute? It's almost fresh. It's starting to rise up. Oh, it's reached the top. It's going over the side, but we're going to let it do its thing. It's like a cake caner. Cake. It's probably going to be a little bit hot. I'm going to get a spoon. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Yes, look at this. This is great. Oh, it's good. That's really good. You could put other things in here, like you could sprinkle some choc chips in, but I don't think it needs it. We hoped you enjoyed this workshop. Please like, share and subscribe so you and others can join us on the next CNRL Library Innovation Studio online workshop. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or the usual places at InnovationStew or #InnovationStew. And check the home workshops page on innovationstew.com.au for extra resources. See you next time!